Samsung sent me their Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Best friends, let's unbox it together. On the front of the box is the image of the watch, and on opening the box, I see the watch here, which actually has some weight to it. It's like it went to the gym. Also in the box is the USB Type-C watch charger. Now let me quickly grab the Z Flip 5 to complete the setup, which is pretty straightforward in the Samsung wearable app. Now the nice feature on the Watch 6 Classic is the dial on the front, which you can use to navigate the interface of the watch. Samsung also says the bezel of the watch is much thinner now, and you get heart rate, sleep, body composition, blood pressure, and ECG tracking on the watch here. Now I have the 47mm here, but it comes in different sizes. I'm looking forward to using the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic running, in the gym, sleep tracking, and just general life. I cannot wait to tell you how it is. Best friends, ask me what you want to know about the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic here, and in the meantime, I am your captain of awesome, and I'm from Naija with love.